In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to define your company values and publish them in Basecamp. Company values are more than words on a page. They guide decisions, shape your culture, and help everyone pull in the same direction. We'll start by defining values together, then make them easy for your team to find inside Basecamp. Begin by gathering a diverse group from across your organization. Invite people from different roles and levels so you capture a full picture of how work really gets done. The goal is to hear a variety of perspectives, not just leadership's view. Next, reflect on your purpose. Revisit your mission and talk about what makes your business unique. Ask what problems you exist to solve and how you want customers and teammates to experience your company. This keeps your values anchored to why you're here, not just how you operate. Now analyze existing behaviors. Look closely at the actions, habits, and practices that already define how you collaborate and deliver. Consider the moments when your team is at its best. Values stick when they reflect reality, not a wish list. From there, brainstorm freely and then narrow the list. Generate as many potential values as you can, group similar ideas, and prioritize a small, memorable set, ideally 5 or fewer. Short, clear values are easier to remember and apply. Avoid vague buzzwords and aim for language your team naturally uses. Define each value in concrete terms. For every chosen value, write a brief description of what it means in day-to-day operations and what it looks like in action. For example, if you choose integrity, explain how that shows up in decisions and communication. If you choose empathy, explain how it shapes meetings, feedback, and customer interactions. Keep descriptions practical and specific so people know how to live them. With your values ready, let's publish them in Basecamp so everyone has access. Go to your company HQ, the main, company-wide space where all employees are members. Inside that space, open Docs and Files. Create a new text document by clicking the New option or the paper icon. Give it a clear title, such as Our Company Values or The Way We Work. Then paste in your values and their descriptions, making sure the formatting is clean and easy to scan. When you're done, post or save the document so it's available to everyone. If your Basecamp plan allows, pin it to the top so it's always easy to find. That's it. You've defined values that reflect who you are and published them where your team can rely on them every day.